Welcome to all viewers on my YouTube channel Legal and Political Knowledge 29. Today's my topic is Sale of Good Act 1930 Preliminary Chapter number 1. Short title Extent and Commitment. This act may be called the Sale of Good Act 1930. Number 2. It extends to the whole of India. Number 3. It shall came into force on first day of July 1930. Definitions. Buyer. Buyer means a person who buys or agree to buy goods. Delivery. Delivery means voluntary transfer of possession from one person to another. Goods. Goods are said to be in a deliverable state when they are in such state as they as that the buyer would under the contract be bound to take delivery of them. Document of title to goods include bill of landing, dock warrant, warehousekeeper's certificate, warehouse fingers certificates, railway receipts, warrant or order for the delivery of good, and any other document used in the ordinary course of business as proof of the possession or control of goods or authorizing or purporting to authority either endorsement or by delivery the possessor of the document to transfer or receive goods thereby ascertained. Fault means wrongful act or default. Future goods. Future goods mean goods to be manufactured or produced or acquired by the seller after making of the contract of sale. Goods. Goods mean every kind of movable property other than actionable claims and money and include stock, shares, growing crops, grass, things attached to or forming part of the land which are agreed to be served before sale or under contract of sale. A person is said to be insolvent who has ceased to pay his debts in ordinary course of business or cannot pay his debt as they become due, whether he commits an act of insolvency or not. Mercantile agent means a mercantile agent having the customary course of business. As such, agent authorized either to sell goods or commission goods for the purpose of sale or to buy goods or to raise money on the security of goods. Price means the money consideration for sale of goods. Property means general property in goods and nearby a special property. Quality of goods include their state or condition. Sellers means a person who sells or agree to sell goods. Specific goods. Specific goods means identified and agreed upon the time a contract of sale is made, and expression used but not defined in the Act, defined in the Indian Contract Act 1872, 9 of 1872, have the meaning of assigned to them in that act. The fixed deposit received (FDR) are goods within the meaning of Section 176 of the Indian Contract Act 1872 9 of 1872. Read with Section 27 of Sale of Good Act 1930. State Bank of India versus Srimati Neeta Ashok Nayak. All India Report 2000 Bombay 151. Application of the provision of Act 9 of 1872 unappealed. Provisions of Indian Contract Act 1872 saved in so far as they are inconsistent inconsistent with the expression provisions of the Act shall continue to apply to the contract for the sale of good. Chapter 2 Formation of Contract. Section 4 Sale and Agreement to Sale. A contract of sale of good is a contract whereby the seller transfer or agree to transfer the property in good to be buyer for the price. There may be contract of sale between one party owner and the another buyer. 2. Contract of sale may be absolute or conditional. 3. Where under the contract of sale the property in goods is transferred from the seller to the buyer, the contract is called a sale. But when the transfer of property in goods is to take place at the future time or subject to some condition thereafter to be fulfilled, the condition is called agreement to sell. An agreement to sell becomes the sale when the time elapsed or conditions are fulfilled subject to which property in the goods is